G'day. Let's have a look at these markets. We'll start off with the Dow. Bring in some data. Looks like a downtrend to me. I look back at when I first forecast this. It was about 4 weeks ago. A lot of people out there who don't believe that markets can be forecasted. That's because they don't know how to do it. So this is not the Dow. This is the Nasdaq. I mean, they're all the same. Beating along to the same drum at this stage. Let's have a look at the S&P. Bring in some data. So one thing that we can do in terms of getting out of short positions and into long positions is just to put a trend line across these highs. Probably be smarter to make that red. Colours don't really matter. I have a tendency to put these forecasts on in blue. Now that's been surpassed to the downside, as you'd expect. This is to do with the 20-day cycle. This is 40-week, considerably bigger. Still on its way down. So it's gone a little bit past the 18th of November, but that was a very tight zone. And in fact, as soon as we changed our mind about the 20-day low, in fact being the 7th of November, that extends the zone out, because to get to the right-hand side of this 20-day orb, which covers the overlap, that takes us out to, well, the end of November. So there's still plenty of time for this to go down. Let's have a look on the weekly. Bring in some data. Yep. So in the meantime, it made new all-time highs and said no more. That's on its way down as well. So let's get to the Dow. Bring in some data. And we could draw a trend line across the highs there, the same as we did before. So here on the Dow weekly, bring in some data. I've got some forecast zones there. So it could have a fair bit more to go if these forecast zones are to be met. And finally, let's have a look at Bitcoin. I try and keep emotion out of what I do. When you forecast these moves, it's very easy to get excited. There's no point to it. Get short, stay short, capture profit, bring in some more data. Oh, this is a nice, tidy overlapping zone here. So I think probably be nice to put a downward sloping trend line on this. We'll make it a ray so it goes across those highs and pushes out into the future. I'm expecting that this will lift. Once this 8-month low is made, I expect it will lift. And then it's got another larger drop to go. So you can see here, this is the zone that it's dropping into. Bring in some data. But then we've got a larger cycle low that's due further out. We've just reached that forecast zone. Now, some sort of a lifter, but then the big hurrah out into May 2026. All right, thanks for watching.